Before we begin reading, we are going to review the blue text box questions on the right. Number 1. Underline two features of Italy's geography. So you're going to drag these red lines to two features of Italy's geography. Number 2. The Roman way of life was influenced by Latin, Greek, and Etruscan civilizations. How do other cultures influence your daily life? Number 3. Which river was the city of Rome built along? And number 4, list two items the Romans borrowed from the Greeks. The beginning of Rome. Italy is a peninsula in the Mediterranean Sea. It is shaped like a boot. The heel points towards Greece. The toe points towards the island of Sicily. The Alps cross the top of Italy and separate it from the rest of Europe. Another mountain range, called the Apennines, runs down Italy from north to south. Passes which run through the mountains helped link people from different parts of early Italy. They could trade ideas and goods with each other. Italy has a mild climate, rich soil, and large flat plains that make good farmland. Historians know little about the first people in Italy. Between 2000 BC and 1000 BC, groups of people settled in the hills and on the plains. These people included the Latins. Historians think that a group of Latins tended herds and grew crops on Rome's hills. Their community developed into Rome. The people living there became known as the Romans. Rome was built along the Tiber River, about 15 miles from the Mediterranean Sea. The river could be used for fresh water, transportation, and the shipping of goods. Its location meant that seagoing pirates could not attack the city. Rome was built on 7 hills. The hills made it easy to protect the city from attackers. The Tiber River, 15 miles from the Mediterranean Sea. It was used for fresh water, transportation, and shipping. 7 hills, protected city from attacks, and the Latins settled here. Roman history does not just involve the Latins. Around 800 BC, the Greeks and the Etruscans came to Italy. The Greeks built many colonies in Italy between 750 BC and 500 BC. They taught the Romans to grow olives and grapes and to use the Greek alphabet. Romans also copied Greek sculpture and other art forms. The Etruscans had an even greater influence. They came from the area north of Rome. Many Etruscans were rich miners and traders. Others were devoted to art. They painted pictures and created jewelry, tools, and weapons. When the Etruscans came, Rome was a village with straw huts. That changed, however, after 650 BC when the Etruscans conquered Rome. They taught the Romans to build temples, streets, and public squares.